Oh, hey gang. Well, I'm here once again at the Booneville football field and doing this fireworks show where apparently they're not going to be playing any music this year. So I guess it's perfectly okay to start recording this stuff. And here we are with part one. And they just started, as you guys can see, and they're starting off with a severe bang. It was almost 10 after 9 when we started this, and they kind of started off kind of, No, they're just showing off. Okay, we're not done yet, okay. Oh, there. Kaboom, kaboom. And of course, naturally, we got fireworks going off on the other side, to the left, to the right, and behind us. You know, I gotta admit, it's kind of weird that apparently there was no band to play here, no singing of the national anthem. Wow, is Booneville going that much in the hole? Well, I gotta say, in all honesty, it's better than the fireworks show that was going on at the park with a bunch of drunken morons doing, or one of them flew a plane with some sort of a bottle rocket or something like that on it, and he was actually surprised when the styrofoam plane partially got burned. And I'm sitting there thinking to myself, dude, seriously? It's not even dark yet, and already they're just like, look, we just got to get rid of these. We blew the town's budget on these fireworks, so, you know, nobody's putting any money in that splash pad, so why not? Yeah, it's going to be about as exciting as watching paint dry. So, we'll cut this one off here in a few seconds, and we'll show you guys part 2. I'll probably have to delete a video to try and get everything, but hey, it'll be worth it, right? Probably not. See you for part 2.